Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the electric fan on Mercedes CLK W208. The E-Class might be the same, so if you need help with that, probably it will be helpful video. So this is the fan guys right here. Okay, you can see, and usually it's supposed to have two clips holding it here, and those clips are gone. So whoever worked on that last time, they tried to install this clip right here, so you can see it kind of like holds them like that together. And all you have to do, just pry those up, usually depending on which clip you have. Okay, and then you need to disconnect the wiring harness, which is right here. Okay, there is two things that you need to spread, one on this side, one on the other side, and you pull the cables out. Next you need to get the hose, the overflow bottle hose from the fan assembly here, and you need to lift this side up first. Okay, you come out in an angle, but we'll need to, okay, first I forgot about that, we'll need to remove that here for the air box, because it will be in the way. Okay, so you need to lift up a little bit, okay, both sides, and then you need to lift this side mostly up. It goes into rubber bushings on the bottom, so they do get stuck sometimes. Okay, we're stuck a little bit on the pipe there. Okay, so you have to be careful. Okay, you need to pull it out first, up, out, and then we'll leave the other side, but careful not to hit the radiator hose here to damage it. Okay, so we'll come out in an angle now. Okay guys, like that. Okay, those are the things on the bottom that go in rubber bushings. Okay, you can see the one here and the one there. Let me show you where exactly they go. Okay, you can see here and there. So you need to make sure when you get it in, you get it right where it's supposed to be. That way it will fit, otherwise you might damage the radiator. So always be careful. That's the whole procedure guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.